Next question is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are basic rights of the citizens of the state. The list of fundamental rights under the Constitution of 1973 has been given, and it has also been clarified that every objectionable law under the fundamental rights will be considered null and void. Every democratic constitution recognized fundamental rights of the citizens. There can be no democratic constitution without it. Relevant provision. Article 1 to 28, relevant provision of fundamental rights. So let's start now. Fundamental rights. First one is security of person. According to the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, no person shall be deprived from liberty and life. Freedom of movement. According to the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, every person have right of freedom of movement through Pakistan. Freedom of association. Every person shall have the freedom of association, but the formation of association should be within the limits. Freedom of assembly. Every citizen, according to the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, every citizen has right to make peaceful assembly without weapons, but reasonable restrictions have been imposed by law. Freedom of assembly. Next, freedom of speech. Freedom of speech and expression is major fundamental rights of the citizens of Pakistan, but reasonable restrictions have been imposed by law for the benefit of public and for the benefit of state. Freedom of religion. Freedom, every person can promote and practice his religion. Next one is political freedom. According to the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, every person shall have right of freedom of to be member of any political party, but public servant cannot take part in politician party. Next one is freedom of acquired property. Every person can hold, dispose or acquire property, and protection of property rights. The state will protect the property of the citizens, and no person shall be deprived from their own property. Right of fair trial. Every person has right of fair trial and due process. Under the Constitution, under the law, no person shall be charged. When a person is charged a criminal offence, is presumed innocent until he proved guilty. Right to information. Every person has right to information. Freedom of judiciary is also the fundamental rights of the citizen of Pakistan.